EA Sports. It's in the game.
So this year from EA Sports Fantasy Football, we've created some new features, and one of which is called the Live Draft Tracker. And what it is, it's a tool for commissioners who like to run their league drafts offline and in person.
So with your PS3 or your Xbox 360, now you'll be able to run your draft through your console.
It's a perfect replacement for the paper draft board. It allows you to interact with it as opposed to just going up and putting a sticker on the board. You actually get a chance to get some interactivity. You get commentary from the EA experts, kind of giving you a prediction on what they think the players are going to do this year on fantasy once the fantasy season starts. And you'll also get video highlights from Madden NFL 09, which is pretty cool.
All right, guys, one of my personal favorites this year, Reggie Wayne.
It's really like you're at the NFL draft as you're doing this.
The Live Draft Tracker will be available for download on PlayStation Network and Xbox Live Arcade in plenty of time to get your fantasy season started. One of the other new innovative features this year from EA Sports Fantasy Football is called the Live Score Tracker.
Everybody loves to watch all of the games, but you're always thinking about what your fantasy team is doing.
By downloading that from Xbox Live Arcade or PlayStation Network, you can actually just use your input button and flip back and forth between a detailed live scoring view that breaks down each player's performance, their fantasy scores, or if your television has picture-in-picture capability with your console, you can have a very summarized view where it'll have your team name and the scores there. Live Score Tracker will be available for download just in time for the start of the NFL season. One of the features we're most excited about this year is the ability to import your fantasy team into Madden.
Instead of just watching those guys play on Sunday, you'll now be able to take the reins and take control of your favorite players as a created team. You'll even be able to challenge your buddies in unranked games online. You'll be able to take that team and actually run a franchise with them.
So you can actually get a quick glimpse as to how your team might be performing week in and week out of the fantasy season.
Anything that you expect in a site, you'll be able to get it from EA Sports site, as well as the fact that this site is entirely free.
EA is really serious about innovating in fantasy football with the Live Draft Tracker, the Live Score Tracker, getting your team into Madden. I think people are going to really have a good time and enjoy what we're doing this year.